I think the role of the chairman is to make sure that when we meet on a monthly basis, that the conversation is the right conversation, and then to make sure that all those issues that come out in the details, that the board has a full discussion as to what we believe should be the right thing for our community. A couple things that we've done certainly in the past year. We've made sure that our financials are continuing to be very strong. We've made sure that that the folks that work here, the physicians, the nurses, the staff, have lived up to the responsibility of making sure we have world-class care close to home. And finally, we're also very involved in the growth of the hospital. And in the past year, as you know, we've started 2 medical homes, one in Bartonsville and soon to break ground in the Broadensville market. So very much looking forward to that. When you think about what a quilt is, and by the way, the quilt that's behind me is from someone that I work with at ESSA, so I'm very proud to have her quilt behind me. But when you think of a quilt, it takes different pieces to put that quilt together so that the design turns out like you hope. And so what the board tries to do is take the various pieces that need to be put together to make sure that, again, we live up to that ideal of world-class care close to home.